Okay, here we have project 3. It's a continuation of project 2. Much of it is the same. Here we have our PID with slight modifications to it. We have our VRML world, 3D world here. That's largely unmodified. And of course we have the meat of project 3 here, which is the Arduino setup. The Arduino on the breadboard. So I'll start with the PID. For the PID, we added this analog read from pin 0, and it should be, so we set up our Arduino with pin 0. That's an analog read, and based on that read that is connected to this pot right here, we can go from 0 to 100. That's our height, and we have it here, desired height. And you can see right now the light is green, which means that this desired height and output height, it's about it. There's a small error in it, so the less the error, the brighter the the light turns. I'll show that in a moment here. Here we have our 3 for the RGB light. We did an analog write instead of a digital write. So with this we can control the brightness of the lights instead of just being on and off. So for this one, I believe this is the error. So as it gets closer to from 3, like a difference, the height is a difference of 3, then it starts getting brighter and brighter green as the error gets lower. Um, the other light is red, so if it goes past 90, it turns red, and as it gets closer to 100, it gets brighter and brighter for the overflow. And for when it's critically low, when it hits 10, the light turns blue, and it gets brighter and brighter as it goes to 0. So I'm gonna show it here. Let me see. I got the helicopter going here. So now we're gonna to adjust the height. Right now it's at 35. It's pretty bright. So if I go, let's say 40, okay, we went 39. Since the error is larger than 3, the light is off. So now it's slowly getting up there. Now it's at 36. So once it gets to about 37, it's gonna. So now it's getting closer to the desired height, and it's getting brighter and brighter. That means that the error is decreasing. So the brighter the light is, the less the error. So now we go to the next color, which is red, and that happens when it reaches 90. So let me put this at 90. So now it's brighter. As it gets closer to the desired height, it's getting brighter and brighter. So now when I change it, now my desired height, I just put it at 100 for now. So the desired height is 100, and since the difference is more than 3 right now, it's at 47. It's off. The light is off. So we gotta wait here. It's taking a while for it to reach the height, but you can see it's going up there. If you can see the line here and the aircraft, the gap is getting bigger, so it's going up. So now it's at 64. It takes a while for it to get up there, so We're just waiting here. I thought it went up higher than that. I don't know. Taking his time getting up there. He's getting up there slowly. 82. Oh, this is simulating a tank being filled up with water more than what it is. A helicopter going up 100 meters. That's pretty damn slow for a helicopter. Yeah, so now it hit 90. The height is 90. So above 90, it gets it's getting brighter and brighter as it goes to 100. I'm gonna adjust this. I'm gonna put it at I'll put it at 98. Actually 95. So at 95, it went green because the error got small, but it's also red because of the overflow. Yeah, so now the desired height is 92, but the output is 96. It just turned red. And if we do it for the low level, I'm gonna turn this desired height all the way to 0. Yeah, you can see it's going down. You can tell through the bar here and here. At 75, this thing takes a while to go down. It's at 21 right now. So once it hits 10, it should light up blue, indicating that the level is low or it's close to the ground in this case. So it's 11. There it hit 10. Now it's getting lower and lower. It's going to 0. So it's getting brighter and brighter. It's gonna be the most bright when it's at 0. Since our desired height is 0, we expect it to turn green. So it should be blue and green. 4, 3. Yeah, so now we're about to be within the error.
2.5, 2.3.
Yeah, so now it's blue and green. You can see it turning green, indicating that the error is low, which means that we're getting close to our desired height, and it's blue, meaning that it's low or close to the ground in this case. Okay, another part of the project here was implementing this switch for the outflow. So if we press this button here, that's going to trigger this switch right here and allow this to be a constant value, which is going to have an effect on the height. Let me see what else. Oh yeah, we have this analog right for the height. So the higher it gets, the brighter it gets for the red LED. That's right here. So, and that's project 3.